Hello, this is Kenzo Garcia of Nov Customs, and now I'll try to explain why is it important to polish your frets. Now, on, I have this guitar that came for fret level, and because it's been fret level, the frets have been polished. Okay, so uh, what's the benefit? The benefit is when you put on new strings on the guitar and your frets are not polished or are still dirty, you actually lessen the life of your strings because the dirt from the frets will go to your strings. And that's actually one of the biggest factors why a lot of guitar strings tend to grow older faster now or die out. So if you don't have machines like us guitar techs or luthiers have, you can purchase something like from Music Nomad, so you can have a fret polisher there. It's not very expensive and you can maintain your guitar at home. So thank you guys.